Big caveat here, big warning, folks. Some people get so excited about these sound bites. It's like a new toy. You want to go out and play with them. Keep in mind, our goal isn't to have a bunch of sound bites come out of our mouth. That's not the goal. The goal is to communicate messages you decided in advance that were really important to you to communicate to the audience of this media outlet. A soundbite is just a tool. It's a packaging tool to increase the odds that you get what you want. Don't lose sight of that. In the past, I've had clients who were great with sound bites. Everything out of their mouth was a sound bite. And half the time it was fantastic because they got all sorts of great quotes on message in the media. But the other half of the time it was awful because the quotes were so bad and off message it caused problems. So let's not lose sight of what's really important here. Your message is important. The sound bites are just tools to help us get the message in the story.